Hello friends, welcome to the fun class number 04 of the video lecture series Vectors. So in this video, we will be studying the cross product of two vectors, its applications, where we can easily find out the area of parallelogram, area of triangle and ये भाई important है moment, ठीक है, ये important है, पिछले साल इस पे ऊपर क्वेश्चंस आए थे. So let's start. So what is first of all understand the cross product. Again, suppose you have the vector a bar and you have the vector b bar here, and if this theta is the acute angle between these two vectors, then the cross product is going to be always perpendicular to these two vectors. Be perpendicular. Again, it is perpendicular to these two vectors. What is this? This is a bar cross b bar. ये भाई सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट कंसेप्ट है. व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन इज ए बार क्रॉस बी बार इज ऑलवेज परपेंडिकुलर टू ए बार एंड बी बार. ऑलवेज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट 5 स्टार. इस टॉपिक में, इस वेक्टर टॉपिक में सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट कंसेप्ट कौन सा है? ये वाला. ए बार क्रॉस बी बार इज ऑलवेज परपेंडिकुलर to the vectors a bar and b bar. Okay, and it is given as a bar cross b bar is given as ab sin theta into n cap, where a is a magnitude of a bar, b is magnitude of b bar, theta is the angle between the two vectors. This n cap is what? It is the unit vector along a bar cross b bar. Important. Okay, so if you want to find out the angle between the two vectors, then you will do like this. Sin theta is equals to a bar cross b bar mod लेना है, divided by ab. Why mod? Because if you take modulus of this a bar cross b bar, if you take mod, what you will be having? ab sin theta, इसका mod है, and n cap का mod है. What is the n cap mod is 1, so it is ab sin theta. Okay, so from this you get this sin theta is equals to a cross b upon ab. Okay, so what is important in the whole cross product? ये भाई फॉर्मूला तो सबको याद रहेगा, ab sin theta into n cap. Okay, what is important is maximum most of the students don't know this part. A bar cross b bar is always perpendicular to the a bar and b bar. Okay, and theta is the acute angle between the two vectors. अभी बात बताओ मुझे, if a bar cross b bar is equals to mod, चलो mod, it is ab sin theta, and if a bar cross b bar is 0, then what do you say? Theta 0 है. Theta 0 means what? It is a parallel vectors. If a bar cross b bar is equals to ab means what? Sin 90, so means what? It is a perpendicular. Exactly opposite what we have done in the dot product. वहाँ पे 0 था तो perpendicular था, ab था तो parallel था, यहाँ पे opposite है. Okay, so please remember this. Now see, if you have a bar b bar c bar, if you have a bar is equals to a1 I plus b1j plus c1k, b bar is equals to a2i plus b2j plus c2k. Okay, if suppose you have these two vectors a bar and b bar, then their cross product a bar cross b bar is given as determinant of ijk a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2. That's it. This is nothing but your a bar cross b bar. Okay, yes, this is our first property, you can say. So a bar cross b bar is equals to determinant of ijk a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2. Second property is what? Important, huh? If suppose you have a bar cross b bar, can I write this as a b bar cross a bar? B bar cross a bar? No, you cannot write a bar cross b bar as a b bar cross a bar. Commutative law is not applicable. But what you can write, if you want to do उल्टा तो क्या लिख सकते हैं हम लोग? So a bar cross b bar is equals to minus of b bar cross a bar, that you can write. minus of b bar cross a bar is, you can write, this is what it is, a negative of vector. इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट में देखा है हम लोग ने व्हाट इज नेगेटिव ऑफ वेक्टर इज. ओके, थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी. सो इफ यू हैव a bar cross b bar plus c bar, then distribute a bar cross b bar plus a bar cross c bar. Okay, very good. Then the next property we can say is again on the same lines of I dot I equals to j dot j equals to k dot k is equals to what? साइन थीटा है, यहाँ पे थीटा कितना रहेगा, यहाँ पे थीटा रहेगा सर 0. 0 is the theta. And what is the next is I dot j is equals to k. Okay, and j dot k equals to I and k dot I equals to j. See, आई जे को परपेंडिकुलर कौन रहेगा, आई जे वेक्टर को परपेंडिकुलर के वेक्टर है, जे के को परपेंडिकुलर कौन है, आई. के एंड आई को परपेंडिकुलर कौन है, जे. सो हाउ टू रिमेंबर दिस, ये सिंपल है. सो मूव इन क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन, आई जे एंड के मूव इन क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन इन दिस डायरेक्शन. ओके, व्हाट इज द क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ आई क्रॉस के जे इज के, j cross k is I and k cross I is j. So if we move in anti-clockwise direction, what happens? I cross k will be what? It is minus j. I cross k will be what? It is minus j. K cross j is minus I. J cross I is minus k. Okay, please make a note of this. Then one more thing, we know that this is a bar, this is b bar, and perpendicular to these two vectors is, it is a bar cross b bar, a bar cross b bar. Then what will be this, what will be this? This is nothing but a bar cross b bar, उसका नेगेटिव है, ये नेगेटिव वेक्टर ऑफ a bar cross b bar है सर. ओके, सो इफ यू टेक दिस एंगल इन दिस डायरेक्शन, इफ यू टेक एंगल इन दिस डायरेक्शन b bar cross, ये हो गया भाई b bar cross a bar, this will give you the following, the below one. If you move your angle in this direction, b to a, sorry, a to b, if a bar cross b bar, then you will get this one. Okay, ऊपर वाला, नीचे वाला तो ये b bar cross a bar तो नीचे. Okay, getting? So please make a note of this. Now the application, how to find out the area of parallelogram. Suppose you have the parallelogram like this, and if a bar and b bar are the two adjacent sides of the parallelogram, then the area of parallelogram is given by, simply it is a cross b. That's it, a bar cross b bar. Okay, next, area of triangle. Suppose you have the three vertices a b c with the direction or the position vectors as a bar, b bar and c bar. Okay, then the area of triangle ABC is given as 1 by 2 determinant of AB bar cross AC bar, AB bar cross AC bar. Okay, see, this is AB bar cross AC bar. You can take as a BC bar or BA bar also. What is condition is एक point by common होना चाहिए. You can take any combination of vectors, condition is only that the first one point should be common. So what is this? This is the area of triangle ABC. Okay, now coming to the important one, moment. So what is the meaning of this moment? Is nothing but it is a mass in motion, mass in motion. Okay, understand. Suppose you have one pendulum, and you are applying force, on this ball. So what happens? This ball moves like this, seesaw हो जाएगा ना इसका. Okay, moves like this. So what? This is, suppose this is a point A, and this is a point B. Okay, and this is a force. Then due to this force, this point B sees the momentum of the ball A. So that momentum can be calculated as, see here, that momentum can be calculated as, it is BA bar cross F bar. Please understand this formula, BA bar cross F bar. Why cross? Because this momentum is nothing but a vector quantity. It is a mass in motion. Okay, so BA bar cross F bar. So what is B? It is always about point. Always about point. What is A? It is always acting point. Always acting point, and it is a force. It is a what? Force at which you are applying. Okay, so let's see one simple question. So please do not misunderstood between these two. Do not misunderstand between this A and B. Okay, about point is always be B, acting point is always be A. So let's try to find out the momentum about a point. So whenever the question you get, so first of all find out which point is B and which point is A. So in question itself they will directly tell you which is about and which is acting. Okay, find the momentum about the point. So ये हो गया भाई मेरा B. Okay, of a force represented by, this is my force, and acting through a point, ये हो गया मेरा acting point which is A. Everything I have now. So momentum m bar is equals to BA bar cross F bar. So B पता है आपको. So B is what it is, I plus 2j plus 3k. And what is A bar is? It is 2I plus 3j plus k. So what will be BA bar? BA bar is what it is? BA bar is nothing but A bar minus B bar. So A bar minus B bar is 2 minus 1 is 1I, 3 minus 2 is 1j, and it is 1 minus 3 is nothing but minus 2k. So this becomes my BA bar. Okay, so it is I plus j minus 2k cross F bar is what? It is I plus j plus k. Okay, now how to find out this? If you have these two vectors, then how to find out? ये तो भाई इसका डिटरमिनेंट है, सबसे आसान है. I j k पहला किसका लेना है? जो फर्स्ट है उसका फर्स्ट रो लेना है. सो इट इज 1 1 minus 2 and you have 1 1 and 1. So if you solve this you will get I into, it is 1 plus 2 is 3 minus j in bracket, it is 1 minus 1 is 0 plus k in bracket, sorry it is j के लिए, for j we have, it is 1 plus 2 is again 3, and for k we have is 0, which is nothing but 3i minus 3j. This is what? This is the moment about a point B. Okay, and what is the magnitude of this momentum is? So magnitude of m bar निकाल दो, which is nothing but root of 9 plus 9, which is root of 18. This is what? This is a magnitude. Okay, so please make a note of these points: B, about point B, acting point A, and force is F. If A is equals to 2i plus j plus 3k and B is equals to this, find A bar क्रॉस बी बार, उसका मॉड्यूलस निकालना है. ओके, वेरी सिंपल. सो ए बार क्रॉस बी बार इज इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? इट इज आई जे के. इफ एंगल इज नॉट गिवन द ओनली वे इज द डिटरमिनेंट मेथड. सो इट इज 2 1 3 and 3 5 and minus 2. So this is equals to I into bracket, it is minus 2 minus 15, minus 2 minus 15 is minus 17, minus j in bracket minus 2 minus 9 plus k in bracket, it is 10 minus 3, which is equals to, ये हो गया minus 17 I minus minus plus 11 j and it is plus 7 k. Okay, so the magnitude is mod of A bar cross B bar, which is equals to root of 17 square plus 11 square plus 7 square, which is equals to root of 17 square is 289 plus 121 plus 49. So this is equals to, it is 9 9 carry 1 4 5 6 7 and it is 8, so it is 5 and carry 1, so it is 2 to 4. So 459 is the magnitude of the A bar cross B bar. So let's start the next question. If A bar cross B bar is equals to C bar cross D bar, ये सब बार है, and a bar cross c bar is equals to b bar cross d bar, then a minus d is parallel to which one of the following? Okay, so what to do is, so parallel bola hai, so parallel means if you take, see parallel means if you take the dot product, if you take the dot product, what you will get? Parallel means cos theta ho gaya 0 and you will get AB. Okay, so always try to get the 0 on the right hand side. So if the vectors are parallel, then which product will give you the 0? So the answer is what? It is a cross product. So take a cross product and solve this question. Okay, so the cross product is what? It is a bar minus d bar cross, so let's consider this vector b bar cross b bar minus c bar, b bar minus c bar. So what it will give me? So a bar cross b bar, a bar cross b bar minus a bar cross c bar minus d bar cross b bar and plus d bar cross c bar. So let's check what you have given. A bar cross b bar is equals to क्या है? CDA. So it is c bar cross d bar है minus a bar cross c bar is nothing but b d bar. So b bar cross d bar, which is equals to d bar cross b bar plus d bar cross c bar. Okay, so c bar cross d bar is, can I write negative of this vector? Yes. So negative of d bar cross c bar, this keep as it is minus b bar cross d bar. So again you take negative of this vector, so negative negative becomes positive, again b bar cross d bar plus d bar cross c bar as it is. Okay, see d bar cross c bar, d bar cross c bar cancel, b bar d bar and b bar d bar cancel. So what you are getting is 0. So if the cross product is equals to 0, definitely our answer is what? Option A. So a bar minus b bar is parallel to b bar minus c bar. Yes. So moving to the next question, find the area of parallelogram if A is this, B is this, are its adjacent sides. Okay, so adjacent sides, if A and B are the adjacent sides, then what is the area? Area is what? It is again the magnitude. So it is a bar cross b bar, which is equals to determinant of I j k. So it is 2 0 3 and minus 3 1 minus 2. So I into bracket it is 0 minus 3 minus j into bracket you get minus 4 plus 9 and plus k into bracket it is 2. This is equals to minus 3i plus minus 5j and plus 2k. This is equals to, so what is this? This is a bar cross b bar. Okay, what we want is mod of a bar cross b bar. So mod will be, it is 9 plus 25 plus 4, which is equals to, it is 29, ये हो गया भाई 20 34 and ये हो गया 38. Okay, so root of 38 is your answer. A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle, find its area. Okay, so if A, B, C's are the vertices, what is the area of triangle? Equals to 1 by 2 mod of AB bar cross AC bar. AB bar cross AC bar. So how you will find out the AB bar? So AB bar is nothing but B bar minus A bar, B bar minus A bar, which is nothing but 0 minus 3 is minus 3i, 3 minus 2 is 1j, 5 minus 2 is plus 3k. What is AC bar? AC bar is again C bar minus A bar. So which is nothing but 1 minus 3 is minus 2i, 2 minus 2 is plus 0j and minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3k. Okay, once you get A bar, AB bar and AC bar, हो गया भाई, आंसर तो निकल गया 1 by 2. So which is cross product of AB bar and AC bar. So I, J and K, you will have here minus 3 1 3 and minus 2 0 minus 3. Okay, so this is equals to 1 by 2 into magnitude of this we have to consider. So I into, it is minus 3 minus j into, it is plus 9 plus 6 plus k into it is minus 3 हो गया cancel plus 2. So this is equals to 1 by 2 into minus 3i minus 15j plus 2k. So what is the magnitude of this vector, which is nothing but root of 9 plus 225 plus 4. Okay, so that will be equals to 1 by 2 into, so root of 8, 3 and 2. Okay, 238. So this should be your answer. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends, juniors, comment करो कैसा लगा आपको वीडियो, and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you.